Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's super early in the morning because I'm waiting for the construction guys to come and continue the work. And since our last video we've made some progress, so I will take you along. So let's get started. So here not much changed. We have new holes and diggings for the new electric system. We decided it is better to do a new electric system. And also here in this room, we had here in this place, as you can see, because the market's still here, we had a stove and it's gone. And we have more room. We have to fill in that hole right there. And also, I don't have room in here. Here will be another plug. Also here the TV and the internet and other stuff. I talked with someone to redo all the flooring, like not replace them. It's hardwood, but now it's full of dust, honestly. They were covered. All the flooring were covered, but since the new guys came, they took out everything, and I don't know why they didn't put a new covering on the floor. So all will be vacuumed, and after that it will be all sanded down, and after that it will look like brand new. I hope so. So here we had another stove, and this is the aftermath, because here we'll need some new repair to do. I think this is the brightest window in the morning, but we still have a lot of furniture here. Since the last video you've seen some furniture, but we gave away some. And also this will be gone. So let me take you to the bathroom. We have two bathrooms. Now they are in this stage right now, so it's not done yet, but with small steps we are making progress. We have new floors, we have new pipes, all the water system is changed, everything is new right here, as you can see. And here will be the shower area. There we'll have a tub, and there will be the sink. So yeah, I'm really excited. My husband is also excited. We can't wait to see it finished. And this is the dining area. We have a problem here with an old pipe, which we can't find. And I'm waiting for the plumber for like 5 days. He didn't answer my calls. I was super sad, super anxious, because it's leaking, as you can see. Because the construction guys, I don't know, they hit it or something, because it didn't leak until now. So yeah, that was a problem. I don't know why he did it like this, look. Oh my god. So I will be honest with you, I'm a bit angry about these construction guys, because they keep doing stuff that they want, not that we want, and they are a bit slow. They work in other places also, so that's the thing I don't understand, because I didn't knew that when I contracted them. I honestly didn't knew they weren't going to work just for us in this period, so they have other works to split their time with. So yeah. And here will be the kitchen. So the walls are almost done, but so this area right here from the window, it's a bit controversial, so that's why you can't really see, but I will zoom you out. And this area, it's not done yet. The other ones are almost done, but he still has a lot of work to do. Also, this area right here, this is the heating system from the gas, and I hate all these pipes. They are a lot of pipes, and I discussed it with my husband, and we want to hide them and build like a coffin to them, so we will not see it, but we will have some doors, you know, just to check it, and also to leave it open in case we need to do something here or to close some pipes, because just look, there are so many. And the plumber, he still needs to complete his work here because it's not done, as you can see. So yeah, I hope we will make some progress today. So just to fill you in some new stuff, we bought Saturday the toilets and the tub, but we still need to buy the batteries to them, to the shower also, and the sink, but we will buy that next time we go, because these were a little bit more urgent for the construction guy. So I really want to tell you, you need to be careful and get some recommendations for the construction guys, but anyway, it's just a guess and a lottery with them, because you can't really tell how they will work for you. Even though with someone they work well, it's not guaranteed that they will work good for you also. So yeah, me and my husband can't wait to finish this project and move in already, because it's been such a long journey, and I understand every one of you, especially if you are renovating a house, because yeah, there are a lot of changes to make. And if you don't want to renovate it again, like we want also, we want to renovate it now for good. So that's why we did some new pipes, new electric system, because we don't want to do it again in like 10 years, right? So I love to sit in the garden, but it's a little bit noisy right now because there are a lot of cars. It's a gorgeous day. Finally, it's a little bit more chilly outside, because 2 weeks ago we had some very extreme high temperatures. A lot of my flowers melted, but now I think everything looks a little bit more better. We have a lot of birds, so that's a little calming. They're nice to hear. So it's already 8 o'clock and they're not here. I'm waiting for them. They're not very punctual people, so yeah, I have to be very calm, because otherwise I don't know when everything will be done. So yeah, we chose the colors. I will show it to you a little bit later. We chose the colors for the rooms. Everything will be like Scandinavian pastels, just like our house, because also this one is a little blue and white. I love the color to it, but inside it will be a little bit more neutral than this one. So yeah, I'm super excited. We went Saturday also to choose another brand, but we honestly didn't like it. So yeah, I will see today on which we will settle, because we need to know exactly with which brand are we working today. So yeah, I still have a lot of things to do, because after all these renovations there was a lot of garbage, so I have to call also to get rid of that. And yeah, there are a lot of things you have to have in mind, because everything that you don't know, you have to learn on the way, you know, because if it's your first time doing this, you'll never know. For me, it's the second year, because last year I also stayed with the guys that made our house outside. So yeah, I've learned a little bit, but not everything. But the truth is, you need to be bossy with them. So if you're not bossy, they will do whatever they want. Here I have a lot of materials and tools and all the stuff. Here I have books. We want to make a huge rack for them after all this hallway is painted new. So yeah, we want to keep them here and make a huge rack just to support them here. I don't know if until the end, but anyway, it needs to be high enough for all the books. And also we will change in autumn the door. I'm super excited about that. But we won't change these gorgeous doors because just look at them. They're perfect. They're perfect. Also hardwood, but they need some TLC. They need some TLC just to clean them, wash them, and maybe next year we will sand them and paint them. Right, so we got a new AC unit here. It's the biggest one, is the 24,000 BTU, and we hope that it will cool the whole area right here, because we didn't want to ruin our outside of the house. So we wanted some multi-split units in every room, but we had to do some new holes for outside. So yeah, that's why we hope it will cool this room down, because this will be our bedroom. As you can see, everything is a mess. Our electric system is not done yet, but we are almost done, like 85% done. I can't wait to see what they are going to do today. And guys, we've ordered tiles like 2 weeks ago and they're not here yet. We were told it's going to come from Spain because they don't have what we chose in stock. And they said like 2-3 weeks, and they're not here yet. And also the lady from the store, I called her and I asked her, hey, hello, how are you? Do you know anything about my order? And she said, I told you I will call you. We don't have any news about the tiles, so I will call you. Like, I was like, okay, I was just asking. You don't have to be like angry because it's my order, so I don't know what's with you. So yeah, people are weird, and they only care about selling stuff. They don't really care about the aftermath or when is your order being delivered. So they don't care. They just care about themselves. They care to make a good sell, take the commission, and that's all. So yeah, hard times, and that's all. But when they are going to arrive, we have to make another payment. So that's when I'm going to take you and show you exactly what is the store about. Because when I was with my husband to choose the tiles, my camera wasn't charged. Yeah, that's why I didn't film it. But yeah, we will see. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.